How to optimize your Google My Business description. Hi, this is Marlon from the Appliance Experts, and today I wanted to offer you a few tips on how to optimize the description of your Google My Business listing. The reason is this is one of the ways you can start to get more customers and leads from your Google listing. Google listings are just becoming more and more popular as consumers use their smartphones more and more. I mean, it never leaves their side. People sleep with it right next to them. It's always next to them. Most consumers aren't even using a desktop computer. It's strictly smartphone use is all they're using to get online. So Google My Business Listing is a great way. If you don't have one, sign up for one. It's really a great, easy, and as of right now, free way to get more customers. What's coming down the line though is they're going to start charging, because of course it's another way for Google to make money. So you definitely take advantage of it now while it's free, to get local consumers in your area. So anyway, you can check out the article on our site, which offers several different tips. There's always new features coming out. So if you're not using posts, you want to start using that. There's the question and answer. You may have started seeing that. If not, consumers are now asking questions before they actually call the appliance repair or the HVAC company. You can offer bookings now, so people can actually do scheduling through your Google My Business listing. It's a great way to show off all the different services you have. If you feel like getting more creative, you can even upload videos explaining different things about appliances or air conditioning units. We also showed the guidelines here because you also want to be careful. You don't want to get your Google My Business listing banned, right? Because let me tell you, if Google shuts down your listing, it is so hard to even get it back. So you want to make sure you're following the guidelines. We talk about keywords, whether or not you should put links in, don't get spammy with setting it up. Make sure email, phone number, make sure you're using offers. And then we talk about how to actually get there, how to find the actual description section. Because this also helps how your Google My Business listing shows up, the position. Is it first, second, third, 10th? The description can definitely help you to show up higher. So that's just a few of the quick tips. It's a short article, but check it out on our blog if this is something that actually interests you. This is Marlon with the Appliance Experts, and I'll talk to you soon.